Corporate Presentation. July 2019. Disclaimer. These materials do not constitute or form any part of any offer or invitation to sell or issue or purchase or subscribe for any shares in Vast Resources plc. The company, nor shall they or any part of them or the fact of the distribution form the basis of or be relied on in connection with any contract with the company relating to any securities. These materials have been prepared as a summary only and do not contain all information about the company's assets and liabilities, financial position and performance, profits and losses, prospects and rights and liabilities. No reliance may be placed for any purpose whatsoever on the information contained in these materials or on the completeness. Any reliance thereon could potentially expose you to a significant risk of losing all of the property invested by you or the incurring by you of additional liability. No representation or warranty, express or implied, is given by the company, its directors or employees, or the professional advisors as to the accuracy, fairness, sufficiency or completeness of the information, opinions or beliefs contained in these materials. Save in the case of fraud, no liability is accepted for any loss, cost or damage suffered or incurred as a result of the reliance on such information, opinions or beliefs. Certain statements and graphs throughout these materials are forward-looking statements and represent the company's expectations or beliefs concerning, among other things, future operating results and various components thereof, including financial condition, results of operations, plans, objectives and estimates, including resource estimates, and the company's future economic performance. These statements, which may contain the words anticipate, they leave intend, estimate, expect, and words of similar meaning, reflect the directors' beliefs and expectations and involve a number of risks and uncertainties as they relate to events and depend on circumstances that will occur in the future. Forward-looking statements speak only as of the date of these materials, and no representation is made that any of these statements or forecasts will come to pass or that any forecast results will be achieved. The company expressly disclaims any obligation to update or revise any forward-looking statements in these materials, whether as a result of new information or future events. If you are considering buying shares in the company, you should consult a person authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority who specializes in advising on securities of companies such as Vast Resources plc. Strategy. Vast's priority is the advancement of its two primary value drivers into production in 2019. Expanding production base by the end of 2019. Baita Plai Polymetallic Mine. Heritage Diamond Concession **. Company snapshot. Shareholders. Share price. Board and management team. Highly experienced board and management team advancing Vast's portfolio. 1.42 14.02 10.73 9.85 9.34 4.47 3.84 3.29 43.04 Directors: Hargreaves Lansdowne plc, SVS Securities plc, Interactive Investor Trading, Halifax Share Dealing, Barclays Wealthio and Bud Bell Securities, others. Asterisk as at 11 AM 207.19. Aim. Market. Vast. Ticker. 0.115p asterisk. Share price. £10.03 million asterisk. Market cap. 8,721,030,000. Shares on issue. Chairman. Brian Moritz. Chief Executive Officer. Andrew Prelia. Finance Director. Roy Tucker. Chief Operating Officer. Craig Harvey. Non-Executive Director. Eric Dyack. Non-Executive Director. Nick Hatch. Chief Financial Officer. Paul Fletcher. Corporate Development, Andrew Hall. Director of Vast Resources plc. Asset Overview. Diversified portfolio encompassing the mining development curve. Baita Plai Polymetallic Mine. Romania -80%. Heritage Diamond Concession *. Zimbabwe up to 75% but 59% expected. PICIORULZIMBRULUI and Magura NEAGRA. ZAGRA. Romania up to 90%. Near-term production. Appraisal. Development Blueberry Project. Romania -29.41%. Expansion. MANAILA POLYMETALLIC Mine. CARLIBABA Extension Project Romania. 100%. Baita Plai Polymetallic Mine Romania. Baita Plai Polymetallic Mine. Target to reopen mine by the end of 2019. 80% owned by Vast. Over 18 mountain produced since 1947, put on care and maintenance in 2013 due to lack of capital investment and modernization. Vast was granted an association license October 2018. License to mine copper, lead, zinc, gold, silver, tungsten and molybdenum. All necessary approvals and authorization have been issued, e.g. water use and discharge, tailings disposal, environmental authorization with accompanying plan. As noted by management at the time of acquisition, official mineral resources (NAN) code for Baita Plai as recorded are reported as 1.8 MT at grades of 2.19% Cu, 3.07% Pb, 3.46% zinc, 1.41 grams TO and 128.2 grams TAG. 1.27 MTC1 resources and 0.61 MTC2 resources *. Of the 1.27 MTC1 resources, 0.64 MT are located within the main Antonio pipe or skarn where production is targeted to recommence. Substantial exploration upside. Mineralization is hosted by skarn pipes and open at depth. Significant exploration potential at depth and in adjacent skarn pipes. 60 years of infrastructure development and investment acquired with a license, estimated replacement cost of greater than $50 million and over 5 years of work to build today. Investment of $6.5 million United States dollars to date for acquisition, care and maintenance, legal fees, improvements and allocation of overhead. The company has already conducted extensive work on the license including
installation of new, high-efficiency pumps, securing direct electricity supply, cleaned milling and flotation circuits, maintained and commenced restoring underground workings and access, made safe access. Further $3.8 million budgeted for restart including underground drilling. Installation of new, independent electricity supply and 7-kilometer tailings pipe to the tailings dam already commenced. New locomotives and underground loaders. New flotation line. SRK has been engaged to conduct a selection of studies and assessments on the asset in order to provide an independent and updated asset evaluation. Underground hoist chamber. 1-kilometer tramway to processing plant. $50 million of infrastructure in place. Expected development schedule. The countdown has begun. Month. June 19, July 19, August 19, Seep 19, October 19, November 19, December 19. Underground General Revision preparing open stopes, access points, collection points, railway machinery order /delivery, mining equipment, flotation crushers, mills, classifiers, hydrocyclones, flotation cells, filters, pumps, electricals including new secondary cable pumps, laboratory, tailings dam, general maintenance, new pipeline from flotation. An accelerated schedule aimed at delivering cash flow within 6 months *. Underground. Overground. General. Heritage Diamond Concession, Zimbabwe. Significant potential. Substantial valuation based on projected illustrative earnings. Unmined concession which by virtue of its geographical positioning is anticipated to contain economically viable diamondiferous alluvials as well as conglomerate ore resources on which VAST expects to receive a license to start mining. The VAST Diamond Division have prepared a business case on the Heritage Concession and drawn up a list of projections based on their knowledge and experience along with an independent geological assessment obtained September 2018 giving indicative JV to be established with a view to VAST developing, mining and marketing diamonds produced from the concession on a profit share basis with VAST receiving up to 75%. But 59% expected, of profits including management fees. The conservative case projections assume a grade of 50 carats /100 tons and a sales price of $58 carat. Independent geological assessment quoted grades for the area as typically 100 to 200 carats /100 tons and average prices of $80 carat *. Projections indicate revenue after 6 months of $13 million per quarter on expenditure of $7 million per quarter after initial operating requirement including capex of $5 million *. A highly experienced team specializing in diamonds with deep knowledge of the Marange diamond fields. The VAST Diamond Division. Will Marbully. Country Manager, Zimbabwe. Will has acted as a consultant to VAST on community and mining related issues in Zimbabwe since 2012. Specifically, Will has acted as VAST's nominated representative overseeing development and operations in Zimbabwe. Will's remit includes the evaluation of new opportunities in Zimbabwe, liaising with the government and local investors, in addition to providing practical management assistance over VAST's current interests. Mark Mabhadyu. Executive Director, Diamond Division. Rudolwini Umandaniinya. Project Engineer. Takoiraju. Project Geologist. Mark has over 25 years experience in the mining industry. Of this, more than 22 years has been focused on diamond mining both in Zimbabwe and internationally, including 11 years with Botswana, the joint venture company between De Beers and the government of Botswana. Mark's recent positions include CEO of government-owned Zimbabwe Consolidated Diamond Company, PVT, Limited and, prior to that, CO and CEO of Marange Resources, PVT, Limited. Mark has a BSc, Hans, degree in Metallurgical Engineering, an MBA, an MPhil in Information and Knowledge Management, and is currently working on his doctoral studies. Rudolwini and his degree in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from the National University of Science and Technology, Zimbabwe, and also has a Mine Engineer's Diploma from Ministry of Mines in Harare. Prior to joining VAST, Rudolwini was the engineering manager at Marange Resources, PVT, Limited. Diamond, and was responsible for planning, organizing, leading and controlling the day-to-day maintenance and production team activities on Marange Resources, together with carrying out all mine expansion projects. His career has encompassed work within a number of different mineral sectors including diamonds, gold, tantalite and platinum in Zimbabwe and the wider Southern African region. Takoira has been awarded degrees in exploration geophysics, exploration geology and surveying and geomatics from highly respected universities in both Zimbabwe and South Africa. His recent experience has centered on the diamond industry, most recently during his role as Director of Operations at Sociedade Mineira do Chejai in Angola, and prior to that, as Mine Geologist and Geology Manager at Marange Resources, PVT, Limited and Mineral Resource Executive at Zimbabwe Consolidated Diamond Company. In his previous positions, Takoira has been responsible for managing all technical functions of the diamond operation value chain from exploration and evaluation to mining, processing, and product security. Typical mobile diamond screening plant. Proposed diamond process plant. Mobile screen. XRT plant. Consolidating first mover advantage in Romania. Romania. A new plan to establish a larger Manila metallurgical complex. JORC resource estimate. 100% interest in Baita Polymetallic Mine. Total open pit mineral resource, IND and INF, of 4.6 mount at a grade of 0.97% Cu, 0.32% Pb, 0.68% Zn, 25.8 GT and 0.23 GT or at a 0.25%. Cu cutoff. Total underground mineral resource, IND and INF, of 1.1 mount at a grade of 1.58% Cu, 0.82% Pb and 0.88% Zn, 14.6 GT and 0.15 GT or at a 1% Cu cutoff. Exploration target defined for open pit of 1.1 mount 3.2 mount with grades ranging between 0.4-1.1% Cu, 0.1-0.4% Pb and 0.2-1.1% Zn. Underground of 7.9 mount 23.6 mount with grades ranging between 0.4-1.3% Cu, 0.2-0.7% Pb and 0.3-1.0% Zn. Future development. Baita Polymetallic Mine is a key project for VAST and the plan is to progress it towards reopening following Baita Plai and the Heritage Diamond Concession entering production. VAST intends to publish a development plan for the Manila open pit and underground operation and the Kali Baba extension which will establish a new, larger Manila metallurgical complex. SRK have been mandated to engage in an evaluation program that will validate the new development plan and further define asset valuation taking into account the expansion program. Pipeline for further Romanian expansion. Highly prospective portfolio of assets. Zagra. Prospecting activities commenced in October 2017 focusing on geological mapping of 7.6 kilometers of outcrop and confirmation of existing underground adits and infrastructure. Initial estimates related to the porphyry-style mineralization at Magura Negra have indicated an exploration target, non-JORC compliant, of up to 3,000 mount of ore to a depth of 600 m, at grades up to 0.8% Cu and 0.5 GT ore. Prospective drill program completed and awaiting results to advance resource potential of the licenses. Romin. Relationship with Romin SAT. the Romanian State Mining Company, enabling due diligence on Romania's entire polymetallic and precious metal mineral interests consisting of 55 BRAT conducted a 15-month DD process on the Low Blueberry project. A brownfield perimeter covering a total of 7.285 square kilometers in the Golden Quadrilateral of Western Romania. Hosts highly prospective polymetallic mineralization. Sample values of up to 22.4 GT of gold were obtained from historic soil sampling. Drilling program and assaying underway, which is anticipated to deliver sufficient information to support an inferred JORC mineral resource. Vast elements for success. Building a multi-commodity portfolio of productive assets in Romania and Zimbabwe, regions in which VAST now has demonstrable success. Advancing two primary value drivers into production: Baita Plai Polymetallic Mine in Romania and the Heritage Diamond Concession in the Marange Diamond Fields in Zimbabwe. Expanding and advancing the Manila Polymetallic Mine in Romania to establish sustainable and profitable production over the long term. Consolidating its first-mover advantage in Romania with a pipeline of development and appraisal opportunities that will offer additional upside to VAST. Rapid transformation from exploration company to mining company, delivering multiple revenue streams. Proving up the value of VAST's portfolio through the appointment of SRK to undertake a series of studies and assessments. Maintaining its existing strong relationships in both Romania and Zimbabwe. Contacts: Andrew Prali, Chief Executive Officer. T +44 1491 615 232. Andrew Hall, Head of Corporate Development and Investor Relations. T +44 1491 615 232. PR and IR. Tim Blythe, Director. Megan Ray, Account Director. T +44 20 7138 3204.